Cancer. The energy around you is quietly shifting in your favor. What may have felt delayed, blocked, or uncertain is beginning to realign, and circumstances are forming that support your progress. You may notice subtle signs, opportunities, or connections appearing that guide you toward positive outcomes. Even if changes feel slow, momentum is building behind the scenes. Your past effort, patience, and persistence are finally meeting the right timing, and what you've invested is now beginning to return in practical and tangible ways. Your intuition is stronger, helping you recognize these subtle shifts. Timing, choices, and alignment are all beginning to support your growth, and small actions now can have lasting impact. If you want this energy interpreted for love, career, or financial matters, my sessions start at $9, and I also offer a $99 monthly membership for unlimited deeper guidance. The first card is Justice. Balance and fairness are entering your life. If you've felt overlooked, misjudged, or treated unfairly, the scales are now correcting in your favor. This isn't about punishment for others. It's about restoring alignment so your effort, integrity, and honesty are recognized. A decision or resolution may soon appear in your life. It could relate to work, relationships, finances, or personal matters. The energy ensures that outcomes now reflect truth and fairness. If you've doubted your choices or your path, justice reassures you that your perspective has been valid. What was delayed or blocked now begins to show clarity. This card also signals correction of old patterns. Misunderstandings or misaligned circumstances are being resolved naturally, opening the way for opportunity and progress. The second card is Six of Wands. Recognition and acknowledgement appear. Your dedication, patience, and effort, which may have gone unnoticed before, are now visible. This could be through praise, acknowledgement, or subtle signs showing your work matters. Confidence strengthens. Where doubt or hesitation slowed you before, you now feel grounded in your value. Recognition validates your effort and reinforces your self-assurance. Momentum begins to build. Acknowledgement attracts further opportunities and aligns circumstances in your favor. Your energy becomes magnetic to situations and people that support your growth. Emotionally, this card brings relief and satisfaction. Seeing that your effort is recognized reminds you that persistence and patience are producing tangible results. The third card is Page of Pentacles. A practical opportunity is forming. It could relate to learning, a project, finances, or skill development. At first, it may feel small or tentative, but it carries long-term potential. This is energy of deliberate, grounded action. Small, careful steps taken now, messages, practice, research, set the foundation for tangible results later. Focus and diligence are key. Treat this opportunity seriously. Your consistent effort now directly influences its eventual success. Curiosity and learning are emphasized. Engaging with knowledge, skills, or training now ensures that the opportunity grows into something substantial. The fourth card is Wheel of Fortune. Cycles are turning. Energy that felt stuck, blocked, or delayed begins to move. Timing starts to align naturally with your actions, and momentum picks up. Unexpected developments, communications, or opportunities may appear, signaling the universe is supporting your path. While it may feel coincidental, these shifts are purposeful. Old patterns and obstacles begin to release. What seemed immovable now flows, giving a sense of relief and renewed energy. Momentum builds. Circumstances, people, and events begin aligning in your favor, giving you openings to act on opportunities and make progress. The fifth card is King of Wands. Your personal power and confidence are rising strongly now. You step into a space of natural authority where people respond to your presence without you needing to push or assert yourself. Your energy projects clarity, competence, and influence, and others instinctively notice and align with it. This is decisive action energy. Where hesitation, fear, or doubt may have slowed you previously, you now act strategically and with confidence. Choices made at this time carry weight, moving situations in your favor and opening opportunities that were previously out of reach. Leadership here is not about control, it's about vision, direction, and purpose. You can see the bigger picture, prioritize effectively, and take steps that create meaningful results. Your energy alone stabilizes situations and encourages others to cooperate naturally. Over time, this card signals that momentum will build. Your influence will be felt in tangible ways, and circumstances begin responding to your clarity and determination. What you focus on now has long-term impact, strengthening the positive shifts already underway. The sixth card is Two of Cups. Relationship and connection energy strengthens. This could be a partnership, a collaboration, or a significant emotional bond. The key is balance. Mutual respect, shared intention, and emotional alignment are present, creating harmony. If there has been tension or miscommunication, it begins to resolve. Conversations flow more naturally, intentions are understood, and emotional or practical alignment strengthens your connections. For singles or those seeking partnership, someone may enter your life whose energy matches yours deeply. This is not surface-level attraction. It is a connection that supports growth, stability, and long-term alignment. Before long, this card amplifies momentum by bringing support and collaboration into your favor. Connection energy strengthens your ability to act decisively, make clear decisions, and attract opportunities that support your goals. The seventh card is Ten of Pentacles. Long-term stability, security, and abundance are entering your life. Projects, finances, or personal efforts that felt uncertain now begin to solidify into tangible, lasting results. Foundations you've built with care are now recognized and rewarded. This card also signals planning, foresight, and legacy energy. Conversations or developments related to shared resources, investments, housing, or family may appear. The focus is on outcomes that last rather than temporary gains. In relationships or collaborations, Ten of Pentacles represents mutual commitment, trust, and shared vision. Your efforts, or those of others close to you, now yield lasting security and recognition. The energy here reassures you that patience, responsibility, and careful planning are paying off. This stability creates a foundation for other opportunities and momentum in your favor. The eighth card is the Sun. Clarity, vitality, and joy arrive fully. Confusion, delays, or obstacles begin to lift. Your path forward is illuminated, allowing confident, decisive action. This is optimism and empowerment energy. You feel lighter, motivated, and capable. Challenges that previously seemed overwhelming now appear manageable and solutions become clear. Positive outcomes converge. Recognition, opportunity, stability, and connection all align. Momentum in your favor reaches full strength, and you feel its effects tangibly in your life. Affirmation for you. I step confidently into my power and clarity. I welcome connection, stability, and opportunity. I trust the timing of my life and act aligned with purpose.